This channel gained 192K subscribers in just 12 videos and is earning thousands every month. At the same time, this other channel gained over 500 subscribers in just 10 videos. Then another channel gained around $3,000 in subscribers within 20 videos and is also printing money in dollars. And both of these channels were created just 2 months ago. So what are these people doing that's helping them grow so fast? This is called YouTube automation. YouTube automation is a model where you get all the work done for your YouTube videos using AI and earn money. And in today's video, I'll teach you exactly how you can create a YouTube automation channel like this. This video is going to be a step-by-step guide. So make sure you watch it fully, otherwise with half knowledge, your channel will surely flop. Firstly, understanding the channels. You must understand why these channels grew so quickly. Let's start with a channel named Modern Ideas. This channel picked a niche where growth opportunity and RPM were high. The niche was self-improvement. Instead of B-rolls, this channel used movie clips to motivate the audience. As a result, the audience's attention span increased a lot. The videos are maximum 4 to 5 minutes long. So by the time someone realizes something from the video, it ends. That's why YouTube's algorithm also pushed it a lot. But the thing that gave this channel real recognition was its packaging. If you notice, this channel uses minimalist-style thumbnails. To show differentiation, they use red color, and this is working so well in the self-improvement niche that all creators have now realized red grabs attention. A chain reaction started. After Modern Ideas, another channel appeared, which applied all the positive points of the first channel. As a result, its first video got over 500K views within just 2 months, and it grew fast. Then, after seeing these two, another channel used the same strategy, and it also blew up. This proves that this strategy is working. Channel creation. The first task is to find a name for your channel. I want to make a similar channel and I need name suggestions that are easy to remember and unique. ChatGPT instantly gave me 10 unique names that were perfect. Finding a name, which used to take 2 to 3 days, now takes 2 minutes. Once the name is decided, create an email ID with it. Now, an important tip. Never use this new channel or email to watch random or personal interest videos. If your channel is for self-improvement, then only watch that content. Go to ChatGPT and say, I have created a new YouTube channel, then gave your channel name there, and I want a minimalist logo in red and white, with red being dominant. Can you suggest some logo ideas based on my niche? ChatGPT gave me several concepts. I liked concept 1 and concept 3 the most. I chose concept 1 in the end. Now I had a logo. Then I asked ChatGPT for a banner, and it gave me one too. Channel setup. Content creation. Next is the most important task, ideation. The reason these 3 channels went viral is because they worked on ideas that were already successful. Go to your competitors' channels, turn on the popular filter, and see which videos got the most views. Find ideas that are common across multiple channels. That tells you the audience likes them repeatedly. Now, instead of just copying, you use ChatGPT to slightly remix the idea. Use this prompt, paste your lists. ChatGPT will explain why your competitors' videos worked, then give you a new list of ideas with reasons. Step 2, scripting. This is what keeps the audience hooked. First, search your video idea on YouTube. Find 3 to 4 videos that are close in tone or format, even if the title differs. Extract their scripts using tools like TurboScribe. Convert them into PDF or text. Now go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. Paste the 2 scripts and the topic. ChatGPT will give you a perfectly formatted, highly engaging script. Step 3, voiceover. Use ElevenLabs. This free version gives you 10,000 characters, enough for 2 to 3 videos. Pick a heavy, deep voice since we're in the motivation/self-help niche. Paste your script into the input box and generate voiceovers in chunks of 200 to 300 words. This gives better expression and quality. Step 4, editing. Go back to ChatGPT and use this prompt. ChatGPT will return keyword lists aligned with each line of your script. Download the clips and number them for easy editing. Use CapCut. Upload your voiceover to the timeline and match the clips accordingly. Make sure no clip is longer than 3 seconds, otherwise you risk copyright. Now your video is almost ready. Step 5. Text styling. CapCut's AI will auto-caption your video. Select the correct language, and subtitles will appear in sync. Step 6. Thumbnail. Modern toxicism aesthetic. Use black, red, and white. Use this prompt in chat. It'll give you 3 strong concepts. Use Leonardo AI to generate those images. Look great. We've now covered everything, and that is exactly what we call YouTube automation.